Hey everyone, Mr. Reese here, back with some more tool tips. So this video, I'm going to be talking about the pattern tool, specifically the linear or end circular pattern tool. So first off, let's do the linear pattern. So if I do a sketch, and let's just say I'm on the top plane, right? And just for the sake, just for good habits, I'm going to make an overall rectangle. Maybe I want to make it, 6 by 1.5, just kind of making things up. Slide it over. You certainly could extrude it, but just for the sake of time, I'm just going to show you. So if I want to do a line and I want to dimension it, you can dimension it, whatever height. If this looks a little similar to the ruler, not a big deal. Yeah, let's just go over an inch, right? Let's say we were making the ruler, it's 6 inches long, and we want a line at every single inch. So instead of me taking the line tool, going up, making it say 1 inch, and then dimensioning between the two as an inch all the way up. You certainly could do that. Or you can use the pattern tool. So you get your first line set, you make it so it is an inch tall and an inch from the edge. Then I can click on the linear pattern tool, select what I want to make a pattern of or copy. And when I do that, I'm going to get a bunch of options. So this one, it's telling me how far over do I want to go, and I'm going to make that an inch. This is kind of telling us how many of them. This is really one we really have to worry about, right? So because I want them an inch apart, I'm going to keep that as 1. And then the number I want them at 6. So I hit enter. And you see how the lines are kind of there, but they're not, with a green check mark over my mouse. So if I click once, and now makes those lines, and then I can make smaller ones, or I could do extrude them, whatever object I'm trying to make, this will pattern something in a straight line. Now that is going to be different than the circular pattern tool, where just for the example, right, I'm going to go on the top view. I'll call it top again. Maybe I want to make a circle. Let's just make it, I don't know, 3 inches in diameter. Let me just extrude it. Again, just for our demo here. Maybe I want to make a circle with a bunch of circles going around the outside. So I have my circle. I go to sketch, click on it. Oop. I'm going to call it whole. I'm going to make my circle, and let's just say, I don't know, I'm going to make it 0.5, and I'm going to dimension it. Let's see, how far away is it? It's about 1/2 inch. Let's keep that at 1/2 inch, and then we'll go from the how far up it is, and let's do another like half, right? Let's say we want this circle, but repeat it all the way around. So now you would click the drop down here, circular pattern, click what you want to make in a circular pattern. So right now, as you can see, it's already going to make 3 of them, and they're going around the right. So I could double click here. Maybe I want to make 5 circles, and they're going to be equally spaced. So if I hit enter now, you can see it's going to make 5 circles. And you could do, whatever feasibly is going to fit. It will auto-populate the correct distance between them. So once I click, now all of my holes are there. They're going to be identical to exactly the way I want them. I can confirm them. Extrude. And I could select each of the ones that I want to extrude. And then remove through all. Bang. Now, that is a super easy way to make a pattern in a circle direction. All right, hope that helps. See you in the next video.